Okay guys, today I'm gonna show it to you how to uh, put this scratch to your blog. First, you can see it. Make sure it's already logged into your account. Yeah, and then you can see if you can to play save now, file save now. That means it's correct already. Yeah, if you still cannot do it, that means you need to confirm this account to your email. I already mentioned that before. Okay, first you go here. Yeah, and then choose copy link, and then copy this one, the embed code, copy it, and then go to your blog. Make sure it's your correct blog. Yeah, choose the blog, click in new post, and then you can put it in HTML view. You can paste in here, and don't forget to put the title. The title is 5 tourist spot in Indonesia. That's all. Now you can publish it. After that, you can see. Let's see how if it works. If it works, you can see it. Your scratch will be put in your blog directly like this, and then you can play it directly. I think that's all.
Hello guys, this is Monas.